Hello and welcome to Careerminds, your career transition partner. By logging on, you've taken a big step forward in your career journey. In this video, we'll take a quick tour of our career management system, or CMS, to highlight some of the tools this platform offers to make your transition smoother. The dashboard will help guide your transition, suggesting next steps and offering quick access to relevant resources and tools as your job search progresses. To get started, you'll need to complete 3 steps. Schedule a call with your career coach using the contact details located toward the top of the dashboard. Watch a live or recorded version of our orientation webinar. And send your current resume, if one exists, to your coach. If you don't have a resume, you have the option to use our Resume Builder tool located toward the bottom of the dashboard to get your information into a resume format so a professional resume writer can then perfect its content and layout. Please note, you must complete your orientation call with your coach to gain access to the professional resume writing service. From the webinars page, you can access live and pre-recorded webinar sessions hosted by our coaches on various career topics. The Learning Path offers modules on everything related to job seeking, from optimizing your resume and LinkedIn profile to preparing for interviews and negotiating a job offer. Each module includes videos, resources, and lessons to guide you. Our career advice section is packed with informative articles and helpful tips to support your job search journey. If you're interested in learning how others have transitioned their career path, check out our podcast series, Clocking Out, hosted by Careerminds founder, Raymond Lee. On the bottom left of the dashboard, you'll find the Access Career.io icon. Clicking it opens a new tab with advanced tools to help you manage your job search, from tailoring and tracking your job applications to practicing your interview skills and analyzing job offers. You'll learn more about all these tools as you begin to work with your coach. Remember, career transition is a process. The more you invest in it, the more you'll gain. Careerminds is here to make that journey easier with the tools, resources, and coaching you need for a successful search. So explore the site at your own pace and take this first step toward the next chapter of your career.